Now, session number 1, that is apply styles in the document. Means, my dear students, in the right hand side you can see sidebar is here, and in sidebar third option is here for styles. I just click on that. It will show the different styles list. You can select the style. For that, first you have to select the text. Suppose I want to set style for this text, and I just select the style, this one. This style I need. I'm just clicking on plus and then heading 2. Now you can see the same style applied on my text. Just select the text on which you want to apply the style, and after that click on sidebar. Here the list of styles will appear here. You can just select the style and then double click on that style. Suppose I need heading 7. I click on this. Suppose I need this. It will set like this. Heading 1. You can see whatever styles you choose, it will automatically add on your text. Now, my dear students, you are in LibreOffice. There is a 6 styles category. 6 styles category means, because this is your paragraph style, this is your character style, frame style, then your page style, list style, and then your table style. And right now I select one paragraph. That's why you can see paragraph style is automatically selected here. But in place of paragraph, suppose if I select only one character, then I'll click on character styles and it shows the different styles for characters. You can just click on any style. Now you can see here the style of page changes. You can see here when like this. You can see the changes in A. This is character style. Paragraph styles means when you select one paragraph and whatever style you apply on it, it will repeat on the complete paragraph. Character styles is basically used for characters. Frame style is also just work like paragraph. And then your page style means complete page पे apply होगा. And list style means जब भी आप bulleted और numbered list use करते हो, this style is for that, and table styles are for tables. If we want to use the tables, then we can use the table styles. Now, next point is here. Suppose that we want to create our style. We want to create a new style. Then how we can do? At the end of this, you can see drop down. The small point is here. Just click on that. Click on new style from selection. Now it will ask from you, write down the name of the style. Suppose we write the name of the style is greeting. Clear? Then we click on OK. Now you can see in emphasize, whatever style we create, it automatically add here. Clear? How to add the style? Now suppose we want to modify this style. We just right click on that and then click on modify. And now in this, what kind of font you need? Suppose when we select the greeting, we need Lucida-Fex, and suppose we need semi-bold, and our font style should be this. Clear? And then we just click on OK. Now suppose let's try. You can see here whatever style we apply, it apply here. Greeting up size this is bold and italic, and now its size is 24. Clear, my dear students? How to modify it? Just right click here, select the points according to your requirements. जो भी आपको चाहिए, then just click on OK. And if we want to delete the style, just right click here and then click on delete style. Clear, my dear students? How to insert the style and how to delete the style. It will ask for your confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. Right now you can see greeting styles removed from this paragraph. I hope this point is clear to you. And if you want to customize any style, then you can also do how you can customize any by default styles. For that, you just go to the tools menu. Go to the tools menu. There you will find option customize. Just click on that. When you click on customize, it shows this complete table to you. Now you can select writer, and then you can select, suppose we want to set for F4. Whenever we press the F4 key, this style will appear. What kind of styles we want? Suppose we need basic, and don't suppose we need here. You can see the style option is here. Where is styles? These are the styles. Just select the styles. And in style, suppose we select character style and then bullet it and then click on OK. We can also modify the styles like this. Means whenever now select text and whenever we press F4 key, it will show that styles whatever we applied for it.